Hey.
Good morning, my lovely followers. I welcome you to jog with me this morning. It's very important. Health is wealth. I welcome you to join the fitness class. We always go out and work out, and we have seen the blessings of God. The main important thing is to be positive. Eat healthy, drink a lot of water, love yourself as you love your neighbor. When the Bible talks about loving yourself, this is part of what it means. Treasuring what you have, which is the temple of God. You have to treasure your body. You only live once. There's no point of eating junk, because at the end of the day, you end up in the hospital. Well done, Robina. So you need to work out and take care of what you eat. Eat less, and then you will see the benefit of your working out. It's useless for you to work out and then go back home and eat junk. So now, if I continue with my jogging, I want to do some squats to encourage you. Remember, I told you I'm going to encourage you to work on your bums so they don't surge around, okay? So here we go. We are doing some squats. Okay? Oh. After my squats, I'm going to continue running. Remember to push your bum at the back. Pull in your stomach. Make sure your knees don't go beyond the toes. And work on that body. Ah. This is great fun. I love it. Okay, let's do this. We are working on these bums and the legs. You want to wear your dress without the bum moving all over the place. Okay, let's continue running. Okay. Thanks, Robina, for recording. She's doing a great job. If you can't run, you can walk. There are many people walking their dogs.
Oh! Sorry.
Many people walking their dogs. You can see those elderly ladies. They are walking out with their dogs. There's no point of you staying in the house with your dog and go behind the garden and pretend you are walking the dog. Come on, get out of that house and walk with your dog. Run around. It will help you to have a healthy heart. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. If I can do it, Robina can do it, other people can do it. How about you? I wish you a good workout, and I hope to hear from you one of these days. I feel so happy that I've worked out, and I thank God. Thank you for watching. Welcome to join our Keep Fit page on Facebook.